Hello students, the topic of the essay is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. He was born on October 2nd, 1869. People call him the father of the nation. Gandhiji loved peace and did not like violence. He wore simple clothes and always spoke the truth. He believed in non-violence, which means not hurting others. Gandhiji wanted everyone to be treated equally. He led many people in peaceful marches. Gandhiji's work helped India become free from British rule. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Don't forget to subscribe.